So we have to get this thing inside.
Before it
doesn't want to start at the moment, so. You gonna push it?
So they do push it inside so it don't.
That's not gonna work.
So what I started to say before, we do try the Jeep inside so it don't get waterlogged and get floating down the river. So let's see how that goes.
Your truck.
Hey Joe, are you doing the Willy fads?
No.
They pull a Jeep with a Jeep that we are all loading to get it in the building. So let's see how that goes. It'll be fun.
You think she's gonna roll?
Probably not, being on it.
We don't have far to go. You good?
Have fun. Let's see how that goes. 2 Jeeps. What one will win? I'm just joking. Yep, going to a building.
I don't think he tied the strap to the...
No! No, he did not.
I'll tie it this time.
That didn't sound very well. So, 1 Jeep, 2 Jeep, 1 Jeep, 2 Jeep. What are we doing? What are we doing?
We're not gonna hit it, are we, Jack?
I don't think so. What do you like more? The Jeep or the El Camino? I probably like the El Camino more. You can see the very nice Kawasaki banner, the BBS, the BMW banner. I really like all of them. It done I hit the wall.
No, it doesn't matter. I'm just happy that's phase 1. We have it inside at least. Now I can start looking over it. It looks like a completely different vehicle than what it did when it was in that guy's backyard.